college, they would have, it was like dollar mug night at this place called Sub Dogs. So I'd bring in my big old water thing like that, and that would be part of my mug night.
I know you didn't just have water in the thing.
That was before I knew I had a gluten intolerance. Sales this month, so congratulations. So you get to choose. You want a $150 Aspen Grill gift card with a movie gift card, or do you want $200 to your favorite clothing store? What is that? Banana Republic. Okay, all right.
I talked about last week, Katie missed this, but there's still going to be snow in Pennsylvania all winter long, in New Jersey.
Still going to be ridiculously high.
And we're still at 200,000 average or median sale price for a property here. So guys, it's a good thing. Pipeline, being prepared, creating the habits that we should always have. We got to sell this condo about 9 years ago, and third floor walk up here in Windy Hill, 1 bedroom, direct ocean front, beautiful unit. And so we're gonna get it back on the market and get Betty off the third floor and into something that steps aren't as big of a concern. So let's go check it out. I brought your bottle. Hey, Betty. I saw you jump around the car. I had my drink with me. I was like, what? That's the golf course. Somebody said today they're not going to reopen.
Aberdeen?
That's what that's what I heard today. It's incredible. I really don't know what to say to that.
Is this your first time up in North Myrtle, or like the Longs area?
Yeah. What are we, October 2nd? 3 weeks ago, or 3 weeks away from kind of when everything was hitting. We have an appointment in Colonial Charters, and 4 miles up the road is Aberdeen and Buck Creek, which is, so I just wanted to take a peek and see. I know that most of the homes, unfortunately, in Aberdeen did have water, so I wanted to just take a ride up here and see. Richard, who works for us, his in-laws live up here, and their house flooded. I think at some point, time always heals, and this happened 2 years ago with Matthew. It happened with Floyd in '99, and all these homes flooded. But these people they're rebuilding, they're redoing, and they'll sell eventually. Just listed this great house here in Colonial Charters on Shellbank, and as I was walking through before we got everything signed, I was reminded of the importance of light. And the homeowner here has done a wonderful job. Everything is lit up, and particularly, this bathroom, you've got a lot of lights. So just a tip for when you're getting ready to sell your home, I actually go back and say, put higher wattage bulbs. If there's dark rooms, We want to brighten everything up. So if you want your home to show better, make it bright.
Allie,
What is this?
This is awesome, thank you.
good morning.
Hey,
Hi, can't wait to see your outfits.
thank you.
Hey George, Greg Sisson with Remax down here in Myrtle Beach. How you doing today? I'm great. Thanks for taking my call, and I appreciate you inquiring with us here in Myrtle Beach for real estate. Just wondering when you plan on coming into town and looking at some properties.
I'm looking at the calendar and realizing how many showings we had yesterday. So that's a great thing, because as the county is cleaning up and people are starting the very beginning processes of how to heal and get back into their homes, other people are starting to look for properties, and we're here for them. And so we are just trying to get business back going, and it's been an interesting time for sure, but we're excited about the new beginnings for these people and other people who are moving here from up north and all over the place. So, you know, it's kind of an interesting place that we're in, but it's good to be back.
These people are out of state, they're not going to be here, and there's probably 10 little magnets on the side of the refrigerator, and there's just no need. It's a little distracting, and mostly are lawyers and pizza places, so we'll get rid of those. It's incredible how many of homes I see that have photographs of, and there's just covered, and it's distracting, you know, it's clutter. So it's a simple thing. And on a vacant home, man, there's no reason they should be there. And this home was on the market with another agent. It was an expired listing that we're gonna be listing. Another simple thing, and we all do it for the most part, and pretty much when we live in our homes, we have a dish towel hanging right here on a stove. But never leave those there for photographs. It's just distracting. There's just no reason to have them on there. Simple thing. I'm getting people asking me because, you know, people know the market is changing around the country and shifting more into a buyer's market, and Myrtle Beach generally trails. And so I was talking to someone that's thinking about maybe selling in 6 months from now. They have a home that's probably worth 180, 185. And I was just reassuring her that yes, while there's a shift coming, and if that shift does happen soon and it shifts more to a buyer's market, I was telling her that that 185 house, 185,000 is going to be less affected. There's still going to be, I believe, that's a very affordable property. The higher end, even 300 and up, will feel it a little harder than the $180,000 home. So you got to really focus on single family homes that are affordable to the masses are still going to sell. People are still going to move to Myrtle Beach, even though the market changes. It's just going to be advantage buyers eventually, more so on the higher end.